Okay, today's workout, I start off on the rebounder, 12 minutes, high intensity. I'm going to do 6 30-second sprints, rest for 90 seconds, then another 30-second sprint. So the whole rebounder workout is only 12 minutes. Piece of cake, right? But when you're sprinting hard for that 30, it becomes challenging. So here we go. I'm getting ready to do my first sprint. You need some kind of a clock. I've got my Garmin right here, and one down, 5 to go. Okay, the rebounder, 12 minutes. It's good to get you going. That got me going. I'm sweating. The blood is flowing. The lymph system has been activated. Now I'm going to show you 6 to 7 different stretches that you can do that will increase your longevity, okay? These stretches, when we do these stretches, we're not only working on lengthening the muscle, but we're also working on strengthening the muscle. So I typically do about 15 reps on these stretches. I don't static hold them. No, I go to full range and I do it nice and deliberate and slow. And it really keeps you functional because you're not only lengthening, you're strengthening. So check them out. Okay, first exercise is a calf stretch. Now notice that I'm using a slant board, and this allows me to go deeper into the stretch. Okay, on most of these stretches, you can use up to 25% of your body weight. Okay, so I'm not using quite that amount yet. Like on the calf raises, I was doing like 25 pounds. I weigh more than 100. I'm thin, but I weigh more than about 145 topped out. But anyway, about 25% of body weight. Next exercise is a Jefferson curl. Okay, now I have the slant board slanted the other way so that my heels are down now. And I'm going to take a 20-pound kettlebell and just reach for the ground. Okay. Okay, the next stretch is reverse Nordics. You're really stretching out the quads, the hip flexors. I have my feet elevated slightly. I'm going back. You have to activate the glutes. I'm going to do 15 reps. Okay, next stretch is Piriformis IT band. Very tight on me. I'm using an incline here so you can get a real nice stretch. You put that leg across the incline, stretch out the rear leg, and just go down to the knee. Okay, next stretch is a groin stretch. And as I mentioned, I'm a work in progress. I never stretched my entire life until, about 14 years ago I started stretching, but really it's only been in the last year or two. I was stretching, but nothing like I'm doing now. So, and I have this rope attached, and I'm going to do 15. I'm just trying to push the envelope here. Now there's another way you can stretch the groin where you're here and you hold that for a minute. So you can hold that for a minute. You can use that method where my butt was elevated on the step up and I was using a rope to pull me forward. Okay, the next stretch is for the Quadratus Lumborum. It's a muscle deep inside the back, but it's more for side to side movement. And that's what happens. Many people tweak their back when they reach off to the side. It's not straight ahead so much, but it's off to the side where they get that little tweak. So I'm trying to stretch that Quadratus Lumborum. That's not easy to say. Quadratus Lumborum. And by stretching it and coming back, I'm strengthening it. So what you do is you put your right foot over, or your right leg over your left leg. You want to be in the middle of the back extension. Put your right hand up against your head, and you're just coming down, stretching it, and bringing it back up. 15 reps, and then both sides, of course. So there you have it. Quick workout. The whole thing took me maybe 40 minutes. 12 minutes on the rebounder. High intensity. Warms you up. Gets the lymph system going. Gets the blood flowing. 6 to 7 different stretches that are not only going to strengthen, you're going to be more flexible, but you're strengthening the muscle at the same time. Now, normally, I try to do 3 sets of these 6 or 7 different exercises, 3 sets. Today, I'm only doing 1. Basically, I'm doing a maintenance routine today. I don't have a lot of time. I have a lot of things I have to do. So, at least I'm maintaining my functionality, and this stuff is fantastic. I cannot emphasize enough. For your longevity. You like living, and most people do. I love life. I really do, and I'm appreciative very much to the Creator for this wonderful life we have. And I want to keep living as long as I can, but I want to keep functional, and I'd like to be as independent as possible. I don't want to be a burden on others if not necessary. And if I eat right, and I exercise, I think I can accomplish that. All the best. Hey, please give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and any questions or comments, post those below. I try to get back to people, but I'm telling you, I've been overwhelmed with all the comments I get. So thank you so much for sharing your comments. I learn from you as well. So thank you so much. Take care, and what am I going to go do? I think you know. That's right. Fruit up, baby.